The Dickies Men's Dri-Tech Original Moisture Control Crew socks have earned a reputation for their exceptional durability and comfort, making them a popular choice among users who prioritize longevity and performance in their socks. After gathering extensive reviews from various sources across the internet, it is clear that these socks stand out for several key reasons. Many users first encounter these socks due to their moisture-wicking properties, which are particularly valued by people with active lifestyles or those who spend long hours on their feet. The Dri-Tech technology effectively manages moisture, keeping feet dry and comfortable even during extended wear. This feature is especially appreciated by individuals with sweaty feet or those working in demanding environments such as law enforcement, where foot comfort and dryness are crucial. The socks are noted for their thickness, which contributes significantly to their comfort level. This thickness makes them ideal for colder weather and indoor use, providing a cushioned feel that users find soothing when walking on hard surfaces like wood floors. However, this same thickness can make them less suitable for summer or lighter outdoor activities, where a thinner sock might be preferable. Despite this, the balance of cushioning and moisture control makes them versatile for casual outdoor wear as well. Durability is one of the most frequently praised attributes of these socks. Users report that even after years of regular use, including running about 40 miles per week and daily wear indoors, the socks maintain their shape and fit without sagging or losing elasticity. The fabric resists pilling and remains intact without holes for an impressively long time, with many pairs lasting well over a year despite heavy use. The Achilles area is sometimes noted as a weaker spot where holes may eventually develop, but this is considered a minor issue given the overall longevity. Fit is another aspect where these socks excel. Available in sizes from M to XXL, they accommodate a wide range of foot sizes comfortably. Some users with larger feet initially found the XL size a bit loose, but noted that after a few washes, the fit improved and remained comfortable. The socks are easy to put on and take off even after extensive use, which speaks to the quality of the elastic used. Consistency in manufacturing quality is a significant advantage. Users who have purchased these socks across different years report no noticeable difference in quality or performance, which builds trust in the brand. This consistency is a rare find in everyday apparel and contributes to strong brand loyalty among customers. While the white versions of the socks receive overwhelmingly positive feedback, some users who tried the black/neon variants found them to be looser and hotter, with a tendency to fuzz and pill after washing. This variation suggests that the fabric blend or manufacturing process might differ slightly between color options, which could affect performance and comfort. In terms of usability, these socks are well suited for a variety of settings. They perform admirably for running, casual wear, and indoor use, making them a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Their moisture control and cushioning make them particularly valuable for people who need reliable socks for long shifts or intense physical activity. The overall impression from the gathered reviews is that the Dickies Men's Dri-Tech Original Moisture Control Crew socks offer excellent value for money. They combine durability, comfort, and moisture management in a way that few other socks in their price range can match. Users consistently express satisfaction and a willingness to repurchase, highlighting the socks as a dependable everyday essential. In conclusion, these socks are highly recommended for anyone seeking long-lasting, comfortable socks that handle moisture well and maintain their fit over time. They're especially beneficial for those with active lifestyles or demanding work environments. If you own these socks or decide to try them, sharing your experience in the comments will help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access to this reliable sock option.